Hello! In this tutorial, I will introduce you to DesignBuilder's Model Data Grid View tool. I will show you how to use the Model Data Grid View tool to view, edit, export, and import model data, and then I'll briefly discuss model QA checking. Viewing the building model data in grid form provides a global view of the data across the whole model.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.